Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM ClassicCars.com, and today I have a 1985 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z 28 TPI automatic trans, all original car with 40,000 original miles. I'll get the exact miles when I get to the odometer, with T-tops. Beautiful car, clean Carfax report, no accidents, awesome paint on the car, and everything functions like it should. Look at this baby. We are lucky to have this car here at MGM Classics. Check us out. We have over 100 classic cars here at the dealership, all ready for you. I took one T-top off and left one on just to show you from the picture side or the video side. Excellent interior. Like I said, 42,178 miles, Pioneer upgraded radio. You got power steering, power disc, power windows, power latch for the back, tilt wheel, power mirror, and power windows, if I didn't say that. Car drives out awesome, guys. Everything is tight on the car as far as suspension is concerned. If you need financing, not a problem. If your credit score is between 600 and 739, go to mgmclassiccars.com. You'll need 10% down. Rates are between 5 and 7%. If your credit score is 750 or higher, rates are like 3 to 4%. Go to lightstream.com directly. Thank you for watching, guys.